So I've been using the OnePlus 15 for a few days now, and honestly, this feels like OnePlus remembering who they used to be. The OnePlus 15 goes for a clean, confident look, and it works. It measures just 8.2 millimeters thick, weighs around 214 grams, and features ultra-slim 1.15 millimeters bezels, which makes the front look almost all screen. In daily use, it feels solid but not uncomfortable, and the weight distribution is well balanced. The phone comes in 3 colors: Infinite Black, Sandstorm, and Ultraviolet. Infinite Black looks stealthy and minimal, Ultraviolet adds personality, while Sandstorm stands out with its textured, premium finish that resists fingerprints. Backhand index pointing right. In my experience, this is the kind of design that feels expensive without trying too hard. Up front, you're looking at a 6.78-inch flexible AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness. That brightness makes a real difference outdoors, and combined with the slim bezels, content looks immersive. Colors are punchy, blacks are deep, and HDR content looks great. However, this year OnePlus moved from a 2K resolution down to 1.5K. It still looks sharp in everyday use, but side by side, it's not as crisp as previous Quad HD OnePlus displays. Backhand index pointing right. Honestly, the jump from 120Hz to 165Hz feels more like a numbers upgrade, and not everyone will agree with that trade-off. Performance is one of the biggest highlights of the OnePlus 15. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. And in real-world use, it absolutely shows. App launches are instant, multitasking is effortless, and gaming performance is extremely stable. Even during long gaming sessions, the phone maintains high frame rates without aggressive throttling. Thanks to the new 360 cryovelocity cooling system, heat is well controlled and mostly limited to the upper part of the phone. Backhand index pointing right. Honestly, this is flagship performance done right: fast, stable, and predictable. The OnePlus 15 features a triple 50-megapixel rear camera setup, along with a 32-megapixel selfie camera up front. Daylight shots from the main camera are sharp with good dynamic range, while low-light photos hold on to detail without getting overly noisy. Photos can sometimes look slightly oversaturated, especially skin tones, likely due to OnePlus' new Detail Max image processing. Portrait edge detection is good, though not class-leading. The 32MP front camera is reliable for selfies and video calls, delivering clean images with accurate exposure. Backhand index pointing right. This camera setup isn't chasing extremes, it's focused on being dependable. Battery life on the OnePlus 15 is a big win. It packs a massive 7,300 mAh battery, which easily delivers a full day of heavy use, and for lighter users, even close to 2 days. Charging is insanely fast. With 120W wired charging, the phone goes from empty to full in roughly 35 minutes. There's also wireless charging support, which adds convenience. Backhand index pointing right. Battery anxiety just isn't a thing with this phone. The OnePlus 15 runs a clean, fast version of OxygenOS based on Android 16. You get dual SIM support, but there's no expandable storage. The phone comes in 2 variants: 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, and 16GB RAM with 512GB storage, so choosing the right option up front really matters. Stereo speakers are present, and they sound loud and clear, making media consumption and gaming more enjoyable. Animations are smooth, features are thoughtfully placed, and nothing feels unnecessarily complicated. Backhand index pointing right. This is software designed to stay out of your way and age well over time. The OnePlus 15 isn't trying to be everything for everyone. But if you want a fast, clean, reliable smartphone that just works, this is one of the most balanced phones right now. Backhand index pointing right. It's not about hype. It's about consistency. And the OnePlus 15 gets that right.